Hello, tech fans! Have you ever watched Star Wars and wished some of that awesome technology was real? Well, hold on to your lightsabers because scientists at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign have made a piece of science fiction real. Meet the Ringbot, a delivery robot inspired by the famous saga. But don't expect it to carry a lightsaber. Instead, this robot spins on a giant wheel and uses extendable legs to get around. Think of it as a distant relative of BB-8, but made for a very practical purpose, delivering things. Now let's explore what makes the Ringbot so cool. With a 20-inch diameter wheel made from a strong mix of nylon and carbon, wrapped in a solid rubber tire, this is no ordinary robot. Inside the wheel, there are two motorized modules, each with a robotic leg. These legs aren't just for looks, they adjust the robot's balance on different surfaces and speeds. In its current testing, the Ringbot has reached a top speed of 3 miles per hour. Of course, it's not winning races yet, but it has huge potential for future improvements. The creators, inspired not only by Star Wars but also by other electric unicycles and robots like ETH Zurich's Animal, have big plans for their creation. According to Professor Joo-Hyung Kim, one of the minds behind this project, the Ringbot is expected to completely change last-mile deliveries in crowded cities. In cities full of bicycles and motorcycles weaving through traffic to deliver things, the Ringbot could soon navigate these tight spaces better and maybe more safely. A scientific paper detailing the Ringbot's abilities and design was recently published in IEE Transactions on Robotics, showing serious scientific interest in this robotic innovation. So, what's next for the Ringbot? The team is focused on improving its ability to handle the difficulties of city delivery, from avoiding people to climbing curbs. The future of deliveries might be rolling on a single wheel, thanks to a little inspiration from a galaxy far, far away. Stay tuned, tech lovers. The Star Wars technology revolution in real life is just starting. And who knows, maybe one day the Ringbot will deliver your next package. Until then, keep dreaming of the stars.